In today's video, I am going to guide you on how you could password protect an Excel spreadsheet. So let's get started. So all you have to do is search for Excel password protect online on Google, and then you would be presented with a bunch of online sites that would let you put password into your Excel file. Like for example, you have here on Microsoft Support this site, but I recommend using this one because this is what I use. And you want to click here into click to browse, and it would now open up your storage here in your device, and all you have to do is to find your Excel file that you would want to put a password protection. So it should be here in my downloads, and now I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to go for this one, for example, and click on open. Now it's loading my Excel file, and now from here I just need to type the password that I would want to put. So for example, I would want to go for 1234 and click here on protect. And now it would now add some password there into my file. And then as you can see right here, I can now click here on download the file. Now that my Excel file is now password protected. And now from here, I'm going to click on OK. And from here, I'm going to click on download. And now, as you can see, it is now downloaded into my PC. So I'm just going to open this and see if we have a password. When we open it, as you can see, it would now require us a password. So I'm just going to type out a password, which is 1234, and click on OK. And that's it. As you can see, we can now open the file with our password. And that's how you can password protect your Excel sheets right here on your browser, just simply online. You don't need to download anything or do any special stuff. So that's it for this video. So kindly leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.